What if I told you? There's a place on Earth where the sun refuses to go down. A land so far north, some people call it the last country in the world. Welcome to Norway, where for a few magical days every year, night simply doesn't exist. Of course, the Earth is round, so it technically has no edges. But when you look at a world map, Norway sits at the very top, right at the northern edge of Europe. Here, beyond the Arctic Circle, something spectacular happens every summer: the midnight sun. Norway stretches over 1,000 miles from south to north, with its farthest regions lying deep inside the Arctic Circle. Places like Tromsø, Svalbard, and the Lofoten Islands aren't just remote. They're positioned so far north that during summer, the tilt of the Earth keeps the sun visible for 24 hours straight. From late May to mid-July, the sun in northern Norway simply doesn't set. In Tromsø, between May 20th and July 22nd, the day never ends. And in Svalbard, the northernmost inhabited place on Earth, the midnight sun lasts for over 4 months. Imagine going for a hike at 2 a.m. under broad daylight. So, the midnight sun is actually caused by the Earth's axial tilt of about 23.5 degrees. During summer in the northern hemisphere, the North Pole tilts toward the sun, which means, the regions above the Arctic Circle get constant daylight. For locals, it's honestly a time of energy and celebration. Festivals are held in the middle of the night, farmers work longer hours, and fishing trips happen under a golden sky at 1 a.m. Tourists often find it surreal. Your brain wants to sleep, but the light says it's still day. Norway is a masterpiece of nature. Deep fjords carved by glaciers, snow-capped peaks, and colorful fishing villages. In summer, waterfalls roar, wildflowers bloom, and reindeer roam the tundra. And thanks to the endless daylight, you can explore it all without ever rushing back before dark. If you want to experience the midnight sun, head north of the Arctic Circle. Best spots: Tromsø, Lofoten, Nordkapp, and Svalbard. Bring an eye mask if you plan to sleep. Many travelers underestimate how hard it is to rest when your room is glowing at 3 a.m. And yes, pack layers. Even in July, evenings can be chilly. Here's the twist. The same tilt that gives Norway the midnight sun in summer brings total darkness in winter. And in that darkness, another magic appears: the Northern Lights. But that's a story for another day. In a world that moves so fast, there's something humbling about a place where time feels endless. Norway may not literally be the last country on Earth, but here, for a few weeks every year, it feels like the day and the beauty will never end.